Today, let's look at this challenge on integration. So, how do we evaluate this? Very easy. Before we go into today's challenge, if you're new to the channel, this is Online Maths TV, and my name remains Jix Anemo. If you've not subscribed, do well to subscribe. All right, let's go into today's challenge without much waste of time. Okay, so here we take our selection. We put down our question. We have our I equal to your integral sign there, the cube root of your x plus 3 dx. The first thing we do here is to rewrite this expression here now. So this will now give us here your x bracket x plus your 3 all to the power of 1 all over 3, okay, then the x. Okay, now with this expression we have here now, look at our x is out here. Integrating this directly, we pose some challenge. So what I will do here is easy. I want to rewrite this expression considering what I have in here now. So I want to bring something of this nature, what is in this bracket, into this. So how do we achieve that? I'm going to add plus 3 minus 3 to this entity. Of course, plus 3 minus 3 will still give us 0. So 0 plus x here will still give us x. So I will rewrite this expression here. So if I do that, this will give us here, we have here bracket x plus 3 minus 3 close bracket for this. Because this will give us 0, like I said, and we'll still have this. Let's bring out this term here. So now I have x plus 3 close bracket all to the power of 1 all over 3 dx. Okay. Again, let's look at this now. What if I use this entity to open this? For you not to be confused, I want to rewrite this expression first, separating this minus 3 out. So this will now give us here, you have bracket, your x plus your 3 close bracket minus 3. So I want to introduce my square bracket here into a square bracket here. The bracket rx plus 3 all to the power of 1 all over 3 dx. This has not really changed anything, okay? Because if I open up this, it will give me this back. All right, so what I will do next is this. I want to use this quantity here to open this, keeping this aside. So if I use this to open everything here, this will give us, let's continue on this side. All right, so this will now be equal to my integral. Using this to multiply this will give us here your x plus 3 close bracket into x plus 3 close bracket all to the power of 3. Use this to multiply this. Then this multiply this will give me minus 3 into your x plus 3, this 3 please, all to the power of 1 all over 3 to the x. Any confusion? Okay, so what we do here now, the question is easy now. We cannot handle this. With what we have here, I can use this to multiply this. Mind you, here we have the power of 1. Since the bases are the same, so what we do to the exponent, we add the exponents together. So we're going to have here your 1 all over 3 plus 1. This all over divisible 1. So automatically this will give us our 4 all over 3. Okay? Putting into consideration the law of indices, which say that if you have a to the power of m times a to the power of n, this will give us our a to the power of m plus n. You remember this law? Good. So if we apply that here, then we're going to have our integral of your x plus 3 all to the power of 4 all over 3 minus 3 into your x plus 3 all to the power of 1 all over 3 dx. Good. Yeah, let's bring some quantity to represent what we have here. So let's do this crazy substitution. We can say here, let u be equal to your x plus 3. So if u is equals to x plus 3, let's go ahead to differentiate this function, okay, with respect to x. So differentiating this with respect to x, this will give us du dx will now be equal to, if you differentiate a constant, we all know that it will give us 0. So x here will give us 1. So we have 1. This is all over a visible one. Cross multiply. So if we cross multiply, this will give us du is equal to our dx. Okay, so having established this, what we do, we come to our expression here. Wherever we see x plus 3, let's put in u there. And wherever we see dx, let's put in du there. So this now implies our integral of u to the power of 4 all over 3 minus our 3 into u to the power of 1 all over 3, then du. Easy? Okay. So here we can rewrite this again. If we rewrite this will now give us here the integral of our 4 to the power of 3 du minus your integral of 3 into our u to the power of 1 all over 3 du. No confusion here, right? Okay, now this is a constant. So if we integrate this guy, it will come out here, okay? So if we bring out this constant, so we're going to have this to be the integral of our u to the power of 4 all over 3 du minus 3 into our u to the power of 1 all over 3 du. So let's go ahead and integrate this function. Let's continue on this side of the board again. So from here, what we will do, let's go ahead and integrate. So if we integrate this will give us here ru to the power of 7 all over 3 all over 7 all over 3. I want to believe you know how we arrive from this 4 over 3 to this. Okay, if you are confused, this is what we did here. 4 all over 3 plus 1 all over 1. So if the LCM is 3, then this will give us what? 4, and this will give us what? 3, which is equal to 7 all over 3. Easy? Okay, for the sake of the Jani tools. All right, so we come to this other side. This will now give us here our 3 dot. So if we integrate this, then this will give us u to the power of 4 all over 3, okay, plus our constant c, because the limits are not given. So if we have this, the all over, this all over 4 all over 3. Okay, so let's rewrite this. If we rewrite this will now give us here 3 all over 7 into u to the power of 7 all over 3 minus, here we have 3 dot 3 all over 4 into u to the power of 4 all over 3 plus our c. Easy. But recall, we said let u be equal to x plus 3. Yeah. So what we do, let's bring our u into the system here now. So this now implies that 3 all over 7 into our x plus 3 all raised to 7 all over 3 minus 3 times 3 will give us 9, so we have 9 all over, let me write this way, all over 4 into x plus 3 all raised to 4 all over 3 plus our c. Easy. So this is the answer. All right. So this marks the end to this integration challenge. If you learned something from this challenge, give the video a thumbs up, and if you observe any error, do not hesitate to spot it out and drop it in the comment section. If you love what is going on here, this is Online Maths TV, kindly subscribe. And when you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we release amazing video like the one we just released now. more to be released. Thanks for being there.